Ever wondered what food could last for over 3,000 years without spoiling? Imagine tasting a morsel of history that's as sweet as the day it was made. That's right, we're talking about honey. Stick around to find out more about this and other intriguing food facts. Unearthed from ancient Egyptian tombs, honey has proven its timeless shelf life. This sweet golden nectar has a few tricks up its sleeve, making it virtually immortal. First, it's incredibly low in moisture. Second, its acidic pH and the presence of hydrogen peroxide, a natural antibiotic, help to kill off any would-be spoilers. Archaeologists have discovered honey in ancient sites, over 3,000 years old, still perfectly edible, a testament to its remarkable durability. That's right, honey could outlast us all. But the world of food holds more surprises than just immortal honey. Let's dive into the deep end of the food pool with some astonishing facts. Did you know that bananas, those yellow crescents of sweetness, are actually berries? Yes, you heard that right. And strawberries, those juicy red delights? Well, they are not berries at all. The world of fruits is truly a confusing place. Now imagine a world without chocolate. A horrifying thought, isn't it? But there was a time when chocolate was only known to a small part of the world. The ancient Mayans and Aztecs revered it as a divine drink. But it wasn't until the 16th century that Europeans first tasted this heavenly treat. Speaking of divine, let's talk about bread, the humble staple of many a meal. But did you know that the world's most expensive loaf costs a whopping $250? Made from French flour, milled in a 1,000-year-old mill, English oak smoked water and sea salt from the Gironde region of France, it's a bread that puts the upper in upper crust. And let's not forget about the humble potato. This versatile vegetable was once considered poisonous and was only used for animal feed in some parts of the world. Today it's a staple in many cuisines, from the hearty shepherd's pie to the crispy French fry. It's a strange and wonderful culinary world out there, isn't it? From the immortal honey to the other peculiar food facts, our culinary world is full of surprises. Let's take a moment to digest the revelations we've just uncovered. Think about it. Honey that's been around longer than some civilizations, still as sweet and edible as the day it was made, and that's just the tip of the iceberg lettuce. There are countless other food facts, each more astonishing than the last, waiting to be discovered. From the everyday to the exotic, the foods we consume carry stories and secrets that defy expectations. The next time you sit down for a meal, remember, there's more to your food than meets the eye.